Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorials. In this episode, we'll see how to work with your cash flow. You find your cash flow in Financial and Cash Flow. On this page, you will see all your expenses and all your revenues. Automatically, the system will take you to the current month and year, but you can select a specific date range that you want to view. If you scroll down in Cash Flow Details, in red you will see all your expenses and in green your revenue. Every payment that you add in Geek Divers will be automatically written in the cash flow. So every time you pay a payslip, you will see it here automatically written in the cash flow. Clearly, the payment of a payslip will be in red. Every time your customer pays a bill, you will see it automatically written here in the cash flow as green. Cash flow also has two additional views: expenses, where you see only the expenses that you enter manually, and cash boxes. You will see a specific tutorial on how to work with cash boxes. Let's go back to Cash Flow Details and let's select, for example, a specific range. I want to see what happened last month, so in August. I will just select August from the 1st and end date August 31st. Remember to click on button Update to refresh the cash flow details. This is what you see in your cash flow details. Thank you for watching.